Christian, ¿qué andas haciendo, güey? I think Christian needs a rock star.
I have one already. That's my second one, actually. Piece of shit. Is that all that help?
Yeah. Chris,
What?
think we're gonna get lucky today or what?
I hope so. Hope it's still there by the time we actually go and find it.
Just don't drop that toolbox, way.
It's not my fault. The freaking strap ripped.
We're back at the house, so we tried to get lucky at the junkyard. We got some leads. We were hoping to get this LS1 from a Camaro, and we got there and it was gone already. I told Christian it was gonna be gone, but I mean, we had our hopes up. Anyways, we're back. We're gonna start tearing down the troquita. We'll see how far we get today. It should be pretty easy because the whole body kit is pretty much held up with zip ties and maybe a few tens, you know, here and there. But it's mostly held up by zip ties.
The red pliers annoying. I got these. What is this?
That's holding up the fender weight.
What?
It's holding up the fender.
Full of oil?
It's not full of oil because of the cash can. Alright, so I guess Christian's putting the side skirts in the bottom row. I don't know where I'm gonna put the fenders. I'll probably put these in the back somewhere. Oh. Alright, you want to get a 14-way?
Yeah.
So we can start taking off the door.
I don't think we ever noticed how bad the car was crying for it.
This car is really screaming for fucking overhaul. And but what?
It's not that we didn't do it right. It's just when you go to the track, things break, and you find ways to fix them really quick, and then it works. So you end up just leaving it alone.
That's it right here.
And then
Thank you, Christian.
after so many days of track time, it gets to this point.
Yeah.
It's not that we didn't do it right. It's the fact that when you're there, something breaks, you fix it quick, and it ends up working for a couple of days. So it stays like that.
Fuck.
And this is what you get. This is what you get.
Shit. We're basically taking off her makeup, and she's looking terrible, guys. She's looking terrible. Should come off.
Damn, this thing's so heavy.
It's so heavy? Fuck. Holy shit. Caldo.
Wow.
Wow.
That's
No,
all I
pues,
gotta say
wow.
right now. Where do you want to cut the frame?
Little update. It's almost torn apart. I'm pushing this shit down right here and it's bending the whole fucking firewall. So I guess this was keeping the front end together. So we're gonna chop it out from here and then this whole thing is gonna come off.
Yes.
Yeah. Wait, this shit needs a lot of work.
Get a shell. Give me a shell.
Nah, wait. I refuse, way. I think it's still fixable, way.
How about that?
Hey, wait. Hey, wait. I haven't given up on you, way. Oh, yeah. Let's chop it up from that line, and then the other side was hit before. All right. Once we cut both frame rails, the whole thing should come off. This whole shit, this whole tube. Wait.
Well, meanwhile, I cut this. You can take
Just like that. Who needs a front tube?
low mile.
Low miles,
Low mile
bro.
front tube.
Never been hit. Still good. Shit was funny because this one way, when I did it, I made it out of, this is fucking, what is it?
That's 3/4 gas tubing.
This is gas tubing. This is not even like legit fucking tubing. This is Home Depot tubing, yeah. So when I did this way, I basically I made it to mock it up way, and we never got to doing the legit way. We never did it right. and I just left it like that way. Fuck, pobre carrito. Oh my god, bro. Chris. Hey, wait, let's just fucking tear it apart, way. That's it, way. Take it to a junkyard. Oh man, what do you guys think? Should we get a new shell? I kind of feel like if we cut the cage way, the whole car is gonna fall apart way.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, cause we fucking took that shit off and the whole thing just bends way.
Yeah, the weight of the motor fell.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's gonna bend because there's nothing supporting the motor anymore. So that's gonna bend.
Die, way. I thought I was gonna fall away. Fuck. I don't know, guys. What should I do? Should I just find a different shell?
I'll admit, the car's not looking too good.
Because as of now, the car's not looking that good. I'm telling Christian, I feel like if we start cutting the cage out, the whole car's gonna collapse. Send help, please. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should we just fucking send it?
Or send it to the scrapyard.
Or send it to the scrapyard? Fuck. I don't know, way. I still want to fix. I refuse, way. I don't know. I refuse, way. It's the babe, way. I know it looks like a piece of shit right now, but
It's my piece of shit.
it's my piece of shit, bro. It's my piece of shit.
Hey, you know we gotta water that off and not just stay in the driveway?
Yeah. I guess that's it for today. I'm gonna sit on it tonight. I'm gonna think about it. Help me out, guys. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Chris?
Send it to the...
Christian doesn't want to work.
Nah,
He's trying to
I'll work
avoid.
on it.
He's trying to avoid all the fucking work.
No, I'll work on it because even if we get another shell, we're still gonna do everything that we're gonna do to this one anyways.
Oh yeah, wait, but it's gonna be easier.
But if the shell's not structurally worth it, then
Why even continue?
Yeah. Well, I mean, we have to continue, but
Wait.
like, why even try to redo everything on the car when you can just redo everything on the chassis that's still hasn't gone through all that beat?
Let's put it this way, Let's put it this way. If you break your legs, I'm not gonna go find another friend, way. I'm gonna fucking wait till you pinche. I'm gonna take care of you, way. You know? And I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna make you better, Christian.
That's different.
I'm not gonna go find another friend, way.
That's different.
Same shit, way.
Same difference?
Same fucking shit, way. Huh. Christian, I'm not gonna give up on you, way.
I don't know, man.
I don't know, but fuck it. Drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for what's next. Peace out.